Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Paylocity employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will guide you through this in this video, and then you'll be able to log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto your search bar and just type for Paylocity employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, click on the first link that pops up, and this will take you to the official login site of Paylocity, where now you need to input your company ID, your username and password to continue to your account. Now just input your company ID, your username and password, and after that click on login. But in case you forgot your password, you can use this button down here, forgot password, to help you reset and retrieve it. And if you are not already registered to Paylocity, you can also register and create a new account by using this button, register new user. And if you want this site to remember your account, you can tick this box, remember my username, but only do this if you are on a private computer. I would not recommend you doing so if you are on a public one. After inputting your credentials, just tap on login and then you'll be logged in into your Paylocity employee account. And that's how you can log in into your Paylocity employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.